Hey everyone, super excited to share that we are building out Leadsfinder. So this is our brand new people finder tool that is slowly being rolled out. So the way that it works is you would first choose some people attributes and then some company attributes. So that is a very important point of differentiation. So that allows you to be able to say, show me everyone that is a co-founder or owner who's running their own human resource and staffing slash headhunting outbound search team that is based in Arizona, Florida, New York, and also is running a company of minimum size of 5 employees. And you can see the exact cross section of that. So let's go through some more concrete examples. So if I go in to the tables for bulk enrichment once you're logged in, and then go to Leads Finder, what you'll be able to do is then you can see all of the individual people attributes. So we basically have 504 million contacts that we're able to retrieve that are working in some capacity for their own company or working for a larger corporation around the world. So these are not just arbitrary people. These are people that could potentially be interested in some type of service or product that you're working on that you're trying to get in touch with. So again, you have people attributes and then you have company attributes, and then the intersection of both is where it's incredibly valuable. So if I wanted to look at job titles, I'm going to look at founders, owners, and co-founders, and we can look at seniority level, which already is included within the job title itself. And then job function, we can choose if we type in human resources or type in human resource information systems, so HRIS systems. We can even type in any type of talent management system, recruitment management system. We can also type in recruiting acquisition experts. That's enough as a basic start for job function. For location, we can type in Arizona and Florida, and you can type in New York, and you can type in different countries as well. And then you can also see for very specific keywords in their profile, you can see whether or not their LinkedIn URL is matching one predefined one that you've been tracking, that you've been looking at. You can see whether or not do you want to include some type of social media as well. And then you can see the cross section of the companies. So you can say, I want only companies that have a minimum of 5 employees, and I only want to see companies that are within those 3 states, and I only want to see the main decision makers, the head honchos, right? And then at the end, you want to run the search, and what it will do is it'll produce just a small subset sample. So it's showing you 5, but it's showing you that actually there's 8,877 potential leads that fit that criteria. So it's really exciting. This has taken a really long time to build, and proud of the team, proud of everything that they've been able to engineer and design here. And all you do is to get started, you say add leads to table. Then it's going to ask you how many leads. So it's right now it's to prevent you burning credits, you're only charged for credits that actually verify or produce a valid lead or a valid contact. And it's very small per lead credit. So let's just say we want 100 now just to get started. And then let's say HR founders and owners in AZ, Florida, and New York with 5 employees. Let's create it. So what it'll do is it'll import those top 100 leads into a table that we then will be able to enrich using all of the different functions that we've gone through in other tutorials as well. So right now, these are the HR founders. All you see at this point, all you need to do is click Add Enrichment, and then you can run each individual function as needed. So you say find work email using Waterfall. So you just choose it. So it should be very, very intuitive, very logical. And then you say website, choose the website or domain that the company is in. And then the same thing for the LinkedIn URL, and then you're on your way. And then you can get up and running and you can get enriched and you'll be good to go. So let's just do one quick example. So if I'm going in here and I say LinkedIn URL and let's save, and then we're going to run it. So we'll run it right here. Let's just run the first 10 just to get started. And that is it. So now you wait, you get the actual leads that you can reach out to. And if there is a valid company and domain, which is most of the cases, and or very valuable referential data around like who they are, then we can also retrieve their personal phone number, which is very valuable. And that is it. You can export. You can then take it from here at that point. So I hope that helps. And I'm really excited. If you want access to this,